In the rhythm of a generous life, sleep is the reset. It's not a luxury, it's your foundation. Whether you're giving your time, your energy, or your heart to others, true restoration begins with rest. During sleep, your body repairs tissue, your mind clears clutter, and your emotions reset. It fuels your immunity, your focus, and even your sense of calm. When sleep is compromised, so is everything else. Burnout creeps in, mood dips, even our ability to care for others starts to slip because we've skipped caring for ourselves. That's why in the Nurturer program, we help you create small, sustainable changes, like wind-down rituals, screen-free evenings, and calming soundscapes to promote deep, nourishing sleep. Your rest is sacred. It's how you refill so you can give again. In this module, we'll guide you to reclaim your nights, restore your energy, and sleep like you mean it.